Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by getting your phone ready and positioning the content you want to capture. First, make sure the screen is unlocked and the app or page is visible. This prevents blurred or incomplete captures. Now, use the standard hardware method. Press power and volume down simultaneously for about 1 second. Once done, a thumbnail appears. This confirms success. If you prefer gestures, enable palm swipe or assistant menu in settings to start capturing without button presses. Once you have the initial screenshot, you can extend or refine it. If the page is long, tap Smart Capture on the thumbnail and then the scroll icon to stitch additional screen segments. Repeat until the end. For a precise region, open the Edit tool and choose Crop or use partial capture gestures if available. This saves only the area you need. Make sure to use the quick action bar to annotate, save, or share right away so you don't lose context or forget edits. You'll finish by saving and distributing the screenshot properly. After editing, tap Save and find the image in Gallery's Screenshots album or the Files app. To share, use the Share icon, select Messages, Email, or Cloud Storage. If screenshots don't work, first restart the phone and verify button and gesture settings. Faulty cases or sticky buttons can block captures. Finally, clear system UI cache or install pending software updates.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.